healing us so meaningless world. I wanted life to be this way, just a little bit of love could get so much. Oh, please don't take it all away. Hi guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon yung Hard to Believe na kinanta ng Eraserheads. Bali, yung mga chords na ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay yung mismong chords na ginamit ni Eli Buendia sa recording ng kantang Hard to Believe. Kaya simulan na natin. Bali, ang chords ng intro niyan ay C, B flat, then F, tapos B flat. Pero sa intro niyan mga lods ay plucking yung ginawa ni Eli Buendia doon. Kaya yun yung ituturo ko sa inyo. I-play ko muna bago ko siya ituro ng step by step. Ang unang chord doon, di ba C? Kaya lagyan natin ng bass para mas maganda. Kaya yung unang kakalabitin dyan ay sabay yung 5 at first string. Di ba open yung first string dyan, ganito. 5 at 1 sabay. Next dyan, i-hammer natin yung first string dito sa first fret. Hammer pull off yan. Pag pull off, bibitawan mo rin. Okay? Ulitin natin, C, 5-1 sabay. Hammer first string, 1, pull off. Next na doon guys ay B flat na dito. Second string, third fret. Gamitin nyo yung ring finger. Then kahit pindutin nyo lang yung bass ng B flat. Fifth string, first fret. Ganito siya. Okay, ulitin natin from C. Okay, B flat. Next dyan ay ito na. Okay, dito. Second string, first fret. Then third string, third fret. Third string ulit. Dadali mo sa second fret. Babalik sa third fret. Tapos, from second fret, i-hammer natin. Dito. Then, yung last note niya ay fourth string, third fret. Ganito siya. Okay, ulitin natin. Isa pa. Then yung last part niya, diba B flat yon. Ganito yung ginawa ni Eli doon. Bale, nag-broken chord na B flat siya. Ibabar mo yung first fret. Dapat talagang nakabar yan. Then, yung fourth string dito. Third fret. Ito lang. Ganito lang yung pinindot. Tapos ganito yung pag-pluck. Okay, kalabitin natin yung fifth string. 5, 4, 3, 2. Then, 2 ulit. I-hammer na natin yung pinky finger natin. Second string, third fret. Pull off. Then, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2. 2, hammer. Okay, second string yung 2 guys ha. Yung binabanggit kong number, ayun yung number ng string. Yun, number ko yung hinlilit ko sa third fret, second string. Then 3, 4. Okay, buuin natin lahat ng intro niya. Okay, then B flat. Alright, sa verse naman niya mga lods, ito yung mga chords niya. C, then E minor. I find it hard to believe. Next dyan ay D flat. Next A. Tapos D minor yan. Next dyan ay saka D minor yan, ililipat lang natin yung ring finger natin. Yan, lift natin yan, dalhin natin sa bass ng C. Yan, D minor over C, then yung next chord yan ay, diba nakaganyan? Iwan natin yon. First string, first fret, tapos lagyan natin ng bass ng B. Bali, tinawag ko siyang F/B. I find it hard to believe that every pain that you are feeling has some meaning in this world. Then yung last, yung finishing niya, tignan nyo, close and open parenthesis yung A minor at G. Yan. Yun yung gagawin nyo sa lahat ng ending. Meron siyang ganun mga lods. Okay, play natin siya. I find it hard to believe. Pagalan muna natin mga lods ha. Tig 2 counts yung paglipat except doon sa A minor at G, yung naka-close and open parenthesis. Pwede nyong tirahin ng 2 strum pababa bawat chords. I find it hard to believe that every pain that you are feeling has some meaning in this world. Okay, re-repeat nyo lang yon. It's so hard to believe that everything you see is different from the things that you've been told. Ganun lang, yung verse niya. Then, kukorus tayo, mga lods. Okay, yung chords ng chorus niya madali lang. Siyempre, chord ng C ulit yan, then E, then A minor. Tapos, next dyan, A minor over G, ililift ulit natin yung, yan, ring finger. Dadalhin natin sa bass ng G. A minor over G, then D minor, tapos D minor over C, then F over B, tapos yung A minor G, finishing. I wanted life to be this way. Just a little bit of luck and oh, please don't take it all. But would you daling magets, di ba mga lods? Bale sa intro lang kayo medyo na daling magets, no, di ba mga lods? Bale sa intro lang kayo medyo na challenge. Okay, ulitin natin yung chorus. Nandiyan naman yung mga lyrics niya, kaya pwede nyo siyang i-copy mga lods kung gusto nyo kabisaduhin yung lyrics, kasama na yung chords dyan. Nakatutok yung bawat chords sa mga words ng lyrics. I wanted life to be this way. Just a little bit of life is so much. Oh, please don't take it all away. Did you have plans enough to turn? Then, mag-second verse na agad doon. Same chords, ganito yung lyrics niya. I find it hard to believe that someone out there is waiting, is smiling. It's so hard to believe. Sorry? It's so hard to believe. Suffering is what you get for living. Ganun lang mga idol. Then mag-chorus ulit kayo dun. I want that life to be this way. Da-da-da. Oh, please don't take it all. Then magbi-bridge na agad doon. Ganito yung bridge niya mga lods. Sundan nyo ulit. Pagkatapos ng second chorus, sundan nyo ng bridge niya. Ganito. Because your love is the only thing that matters in this world. Yun. Bali ang chords nun, B flat. Because your love is the then A, then D minor. Better in this F minor. Hold. Ibig sabihin, tumigil kayo sa F minor. Yung F minor mga lods ha, F, parang F lang, nalis nyo lang yung gitna. Then, the only C, I can't believe. Alright, ipi-play ulit natin yung bridge. Because your love is still the only thing that better in this world. Then, the only thing I can't believe. Then, yung instrumental niya mga lods ay nag-verse lang kayo. Ginawa nyo lang yung chords ng verse. Yun ang ibig ko sabihin. Then, pagkatapos nun, magko-chorus ulit kayo. Tapos, yun na. Repeat nyo lang yung chorus. Then, yung outro niya, gawin nyo yung ginawa natin sa intro. Ganun lang. Then, yun, bagsak sa C. Alright, yun lang mga lods. Salamat sa panonood. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at bye-bye.